Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the Business Directory plugin and do a quick overview here for you. So I've just activated it, and you can see up top it's asking if I want the plugin to create the required pages for me. I do, so I'm going to click that now. What that's done is automatically add the pages required to run the plugin, which is just a Business Directory page. Now you'll notice on the sides I have a directory section where I can add new listings and add categories and tags, and I have an admin section. So I'm going to check out the admin section, and in here are the few options I need to handle before I'm up and running. Under configure and manage options, you have a number of standard options here. Display options, you're going to want to show all these buttons, those are good checked. You'll definitely want to set up a reCAPTCHA account. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of spam, a lot of people using software to automatically add listings to your directory. reCAPTCHA is free, so I would definitely recommend that. Under listings, you have all the different options that affect the way a listing looks. For instance, if you want to include a comment form on listing pages or not, this is a nice feature to automatically turn that off because you probably won't want people commenting on it. But maybe you want to run it more like a review site like Yelp or something, then maybe you do want people commenting. So there's a lot of different options in here that you can get into. In the payment section, you can turn on or off payments. Now, the Business Directory plugin is a free plugin. You can't natively take payments without buying an add-on. So you'll have to buy an add-on, and then you'll be able to charge for listings, which is fine because right off the bat, it's going to be hard for you to get anyone to pay you to list in your directory when you're a brand new site. So you'll probably want to start off free, and once you start getting traffic, then you can buy the upgrade and start charging people to list their sites. It's very easy to activate also. You just need to activate this box, put in your email account, and you're basically good to go. Under registration, you can just check whether or not people need to be logged in order to add listings. Under image, whether they're allowed to add images, how many free images they get with their listing, and so on. And then you can reset the defaults. So now I'm going to show you how to add a listing. So I'm going to add a new listing. I'm going to pause it real quick and populate this with some information. Okay, now I've added my place. It's just called generic pizza place. Maybe I have a local business directory. I did have to go into manage options and turn off accepting payments in order to get this published. So when you're just starting out, make sure you check off that you're accepting payments. Now in here I have the description, the title, here are the different listing fields, and I added some images. The only annoying part about doing it this way is you can only upload one image at a time. Also, you'll need to create categories and tags, which we'll look at in more in depth in a moment. And you'll want to use the WordPress SEO plugin or some other plugin to get rid of this taxonomy here. You don't really want this in the URL. It'll be better for the search engines without that. So here's what that listing looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. It's got the name and it links to the website. Oh, no, here's where it links to the website. And here's the category hierarchy. And you can link to wherever you want within here. For instance, you might want to do some internal linking and have restaurant link back to your restaurant category. Now, this is what the directory page looks like. So I'm getting this red annoying message because I don't have payments turned on, but I don't want them turned on. So let's click View Listings. There we go. And now each one, you won't see this unless you're logged in as the admin, and each one will show up beneath the next. Now, of course, you wouldn't be manually adding them all yourself. You'd have people visit and click Submit a Listing. And this is what they see. It's the same stuff, but just formatted differently. These options can all be changed from within the directory admin in the Manage Form Field section. Okay, and here you can choose which ones show up. You can remove them, edit them, or add new form fields. So depending on the type of directory that you want to run, this would really change that. So overall, this is a really easy plugin to use. Um, you do have to pay to be able to accept payments, but since you may not want to do that right away, I think it's a good option to quickly have an attractive looking directory that's easy to have people visit and add their sites to. So thanks for watching.